Hi guys, today I want to show you this special Kodak camera that I have. I think it's more of a collector item. It's a Kodak Tele-EKTRALITE 600 camera. So it's something like a compact camera, but the film format, I'm not quite sure what it is. It's quite a small format. However, it's quite interesting. So I'm gonna show you the aesthetics first. So this is how it looks like from the outside. So yes, and then here it needs a 9-volt battery. I assume that this one is for the flash lah, so okay, gonna put this back. Okay, to open the camera, this is just to KODAK shutter. To open the camera, I need to press here, open. Yeah, so there's a normal mode and tele mode, which is quite interesting. If you actually see the viewfinder, it can change. Let's show you. Adjust the exposure a bit. Okay, you see, it will change the aspect mode lah. It's like a zoom. It's like a zoom lens kind of thing. But yeah, it's quite interesting. So I change it back. So now it becomes white back already. Yeah. So sorry, just now it's tele. So you see here when I change, it actually changed the lensing. And if I fire, this is to fire the thing. You can see here. You can see that the aperture actually fires. The shutter, I mean. So you see, okay. Okay. Oh, something fell up. Oh, sorry guys. Just now when I was testing it, suddenly the lens piece or something like that, it fell outside, and yeah, unfortunately I need to sell this camera then as it is. But yeah, sorry guys. I don't know why suddenly it can be like that. So weird. But it still fires though, you see. Let's show you. Yeah, it still fires. Not sure if you can see this. But yeah, sadly the thing fell apart when I was testing it. Okay, so that concludes the test and the demonstration for this. If you're gonna buy this from me, I'm gonna sell it at a large discount, and I will give you this these parts as well. But yeah, sorry. So if you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share, and thank you so much everyone for watching this. See you guys next time. Bye. God bless.